Welcome to this review and comparison of these two waterproof phone cases. The more expensive one from Shellbox for around 45 euros or US dollars, and the cheaper one from Ivoler for around 7 euros or US dollars. If you're interested in just one of those products, check out the timestamps in the description. We are starting with the Ivoler phone case, which is made for smartphones under 6.5 inches diameter. So essentially almost every single modern phone will fit. We have a Ziploc bag in here, which will be double sealed with those clips on here, and the whole thing comes with the lanyard. Now let's have a look on how waterproof it is supposed to be. The manufacturer advertises with a IPX8, which essentially is as good as it gets, so we're gonna try that out later. First, I want to try out how good you can use the touchscreen through this phone case. For that, I'm using my old iPhone 7 Plus, and while you obviously have to press a little harder, it works just perfectly fine. Now let's go ahead and unbox the Shellbox Waterproof Case Professional, which listed the phones on screen to be fitting, so essentially every modern phone will fit in here as well. Now this waterproof phone case has a lot more features, for example a mechanical camera button and the option to screw it onto a stand. The whole thing includes a cleaning cloth, two keys to open the whole thing back up again, and a strap for your arm so you won't lose it underwater. The key to open those 6 seals back up again works as follows, and it is sealed through a rubber ring. Inside we have a mechanism to hold phones in place and obviously a little window to make photos with your camera. As you can see, my big iPhone 7 Plus fits just fine, and the touchscreen does also work as long as you press a little bit harder. And as you can see, the photo button works perfectly. Not just is this phone case IPX8 waterproof, but we also get the indicator that it is waterproof for up to 15 meters of depth. So let's go ahead and check out these sealing capabilities ourselves. We just put a piece of paper in each of the cases and put them underwater for 15 minutes, which by the way is a test I suggest you always do after purchasing one of those, just to make sure you're not having a defective product. Now as you can see, both cases passed that test. The papers are still bone dry. Well, that means it's time for the final test. Let's head to the beach. And while I didn't dive any deeper than maybe 1.5 meters, both phone cases passed yet again, and I am not disappointed. So what are my final thoughts on these? Well, I think both are actually pretty good options. I think it depends on what you are planning to do. If you want to take your phone with you while swimming, you probably will be good off with just taking the Ivoler. If you want to actually go dive and get a bit deeper into the water, maybe you want to take the Shellbox instead. I think both are good options. Alternatively, if you are just looking to film underwater, it is always safer to just get a cheap action cam and a diving mask where you can mount it on. I hope this review was helpful. If so, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.